Namaskar. Welcome to Creative Chandra's Hindu style Kashmiri recipes. Today we are cooking Roganjosh. For cooking Roganjosh, we need lamb, but in America we can use goat also. For spices, we need cloves, white cumin, cinnamon, we call it badi elaichi, it's a black elaichi, or cardamom, black cardamom, green cardamom, yogurt, and our basic spices, chili powder, ginger powder, fennel powder. For cooking Rogan Josh, we need pressure cooker or regular pan also, whatever you have. But I prefer pressure cooker because in pressure cooker it's faster and then it stores nutrients inside. We don't lose nutrients. To start with, we need oil, 2 tablespoons of oil. Turn on your stove. Take cloves, 3 or 4 black cardamom, 2 black cardamom, pinch of white jeera or cumin, and few pieces of cinnamon. Crush it a little bit, just lightly crush it and put in the oil. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you one of the important ingredients, that's asafoetida, which is important for Rogan Josh. That's one of the important ingredients. So we add it. When I added all the condiments with that, we have to add asafoetida also. So I am adding with it all these condiments. Saute lightly. Now add lamb, we'll fry it until it's golden brown. It doesn't show exactly golden brown. We fry it until all water is absorbed. There's no water left. It has started getting a little brown. I will add salt to it, 1 spoon of salt, or salt as per your taste. Make sure this is a teaspoon. So here I am adding 2 spoons of chili powder, stir it so that the chili powder gets sauteed with oil and it gives better color. Two spoons of yogurt, until the whiteness of yogurt is gone and only red color is visible. While sauteing, stirring, we see oil coming up and all whiteness of yogurt is absorbed. Now, at this point, add a little bit of water and stir. Now, add 1 spoon of ginger powder, 1.5 spoon of ginger powder, 1 spoon of fennel powder, a pinch of turmeric. Make sure it's not more than a pinch. This pinch we add in order to keep red color as a red color. Otherwise, it turns black. Once we cook Roganjosh, at the end result comes it is a little bit dark in color. So to avoid that, this pinch of turmeric helps it to stay beautiful red color. All the spices well. See how the gravy is looking. Now add 1 cup of water to it. I'll pressure cook it until 3 whistles. It should give me 3 whistles, and after that I'll turn stove off and wait just 2-3 minutes until it gets cold, until the pressure drops down, and we will see the results. Here I want to tell viewers one thing. This is Hawkins pressure cooker. So it gives whistles. But in future a pressure cooker or prestige pressure cooker, we don't get whistles. So for that pressure cooker, you should let it cook for 10 minutes. Pressure is dropping inside and get cold. I'm going to grind 3 green cardamoms, white cumin, like a half a spoon, let's see now. See, the pressure has dropped. Let's see inside. Let me see. Yeah, it's soft. While it's hot, I am going to sprinkle this over it to get the exotic flavor of Roganjosh. Let's now transfer. Oh, it's smelling so good. It's so tasty. So we're going to transfer, and you'll taste it now. It's ready. ولي وين كيلوس تيستي شو بڑا مزدار بخاوز طي Roganjosh.
This is the best part. Ranan chi Chandramukhi ji, the taste us karan do. Wah Chandramukhi ji, this is very tasty, wonderful. Wah.